Hey, what's up everyone? Jay here. In this video, I'm going to show you why you're wasting time on the wrong affiliate programs. You're going to use this free tool instead. Welcome to the Affiliate Program Finder search tool where you can replace hours of research with one click. Finally, a time-saving tool built by affiliates for affiliates. If you're tired of wasting time hunting for affiliate programs that actually pay, this tool cuts through the noise and instantly surfaces top-paying offers so you can stop researching and start earning. Scroll down to see why it's your new secret weapon for finding affiliate gold. So in a few steps, I've got a prompt built in there. It's going to give you the best results possible. It's built into this tool, professional prompt, and it's going to save you a lot of time. You don't have to go out to different blogs looking for, certain affiliate programs in your niche. This is going to do that for you. You don't have to go over to ChatGPT, find the perfect prompt to find the affiliate programs that you're interested in promoting or could possibly promote. This is going to do all that for you, and it's a lot quicker than both. So it's going to save you a lot of time and energy. So what you're going to do here is you're going to pick. Let me show you how to use this real quick. You got niche, you got commission type, affiliate network type, and other niche or special requests. Super quick, super simple. Pick your niche here. We're going to do. You can see all the niches on my screen. I've got pretty much everything covered. If you don't see your niche here, just click other and tell us your niche below. For this, we'll do business marketing. Commission type, we're going to go high ticket recurring, cost per action. You see you got three options there. We're going to do high ticket. Affiliate network type. I always put open to anything, but you can pick whatever you want. Other niche or special request. We only want highly rated, high paying affiliate programs. Whoops. Fix the spelling there. In this niche. Super quick. And we're going to hit submit. And we're going to wait for this tool to work its magic. And we're going to wait for the AI to think. And it's going to come up with, there you go, done. It even rates them for you. Product name, ClickFunnels, commission 40% recurring, approximately $118 per sale. And it pays a lot higher than that even. It depends. This is just going to give you an estimate here. Do your research. Because, different affiliate programs have different payouts. So it's just going to be an approximation. Tells you description. It gives you a rating of it. Next up, Google ClickFunnels to find the sign-up page. Kajabi, 30% recurring, $150 per sale. HubSpot, $1,000 per sale, 15% recurring. SEMrush, 40% recurring, approximately $200 per sale. Teachable, 30% recurring, $120 per sale. Lead Pages, 50% recurring, approximately $100 per sale. GetResponse, this is a good recurring commission one. And all you got to do is copy these and then put in. The only thing this doesn't do, it doesn't give you the link to the affiliate program because it's going to give you a lot of false positives. So that's the one step you're going to have to do on your own, but that's not a big deal. You just put in Kajabi affiliate program. It'll come up. It'll be the first couple listings on Google. Find the sign-up page, and you're ready to go. So this is going to save you a ton of time and energy. And with your affiliate, looking for a great affiliate program in your niche so you don't have to go wasting a lot of time and energy. This is a big pain point of mine. I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost 20 years now. And it took a lot of time to find good affiliate programs. You got to go to ClickBank, you got to go to CJ.com, you got to go to, Share a Sale, Amazon, whatever your niche is in. And it just takes a long time to find quality affiliate programs. This cuts out the noise and it's going to find them for you. And if you want to use this again, come back and we're going to do software as a service, niche, commission type, high ticket, affiliate network type, open to anything, special request. And we're going to keep this pretty generic. And we're going to let it work again. And let the AI do its magic. And it's going to find you different affiliate programs. Since this is so closely related, you got some of the same niches in this one. And I put in a lot of the same info, but this is what it's doing for you. It's saving you a lot of time. Like this is the same. This is closely related to the niche I picked before. It's high ticket. So you got about 3 different ones in this one. You got ClickFunnels again, HubSpot. You got Kajabi now, Shopify now, $2,000 commissions. It's rating them. You got Active Campaign. Big Commerce is a new one. $1,500 per referral. I've never heard of this one, so that's something new to me. 200% per sale. And like I said, this is going to save you just a ton of time and energy. So if you like what you see on this page, you want to check out the affiliate program finder search tool for yourself and replace hours of research with one click, and you're an affiliate marketer, you're going to find this very useful. The links are going to be directly below for you to check out this tool. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, or if you use this tool and you found it helpful, say helpful in the comments section. Thumbs up. If you want to ask a question in the comments section. How I can make this tool better for you. And I'll be willing to take that into consideration and start making this even better than what it already is for you guys. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you found this tool useful. If you want to check it out, like I said, the link's below. And hit the like button if you like this video. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.